Hey, what's up? Chad here from Greyscalegorilla Kit Bash, and in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new feature we just added to Cargo, something that people have been wanting since the beginning of our whole merger, which is this little guy right here over to the side in Cargo. You can see that says Tools. That's right. We now have all of the Greyscalegorilla plugins and scripts in Cargo in one place. Download them, install them, everything right from Cargo. So right off the bat, this is mostly for new users, but if you're coming from the hub and maybe you already have all your plugins installed over there, then you're fine. You don't really need to do anything if you don't want to. However, if you want a clean slate and maybe check out maybe some things that you haven't seen before, like we have all of our scripts in here that you may not know about, Cargo might be the place for you to do that. And we'll have instructions on a clean slate if you want to uninstall Hub and move to a full Cargo workflow in the description below. But let's just get started here. Let's see what it takes to install some plugins and get them going here in Greyscalegorilla. All right, so, oh, and by the way, this is for Greyscalegorilla library tier and everything tier. So yeah, keep that in mind. Oh, and one more thing. This is also going to be the place that we're going to add more tools and utilities and fun stuff, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, so we're in Cargo. Let's jump over here and try to install Signal. I'm going to mouse over that. It's going to tell me I can't install it because I haven't connected Cinema 4D. So the licensing for all of our tools and stuff works the same way as our assets. So they all get licensed through the connector. So if you go all the way down here to the bottom, we're going to choose a connection. We're going to say connect software. We're going to choose our software, Cinema 4D. We're going to say 2026. We're going to install the connector. Cool, it's done. Okay, launch. Let's just start Cinema and make sure that that license is there. You don't necessarily have to do this, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, so my layout has a bunch of stuff installed, so that's why it's barking at me. But you can see up here at the top, we have our Greyscalegorilla menu. Let's open up the plugins. And the most important part right here is license valid. So we're good. Cargo is now able to get a license, so now we're good to install. So let's go ahead and quit Cinema, and let's start installing some plugins. We're going to install Signal, GorillaCam, and I'm just going to go through all of these and start installing them. All of our Lightkit Pro stuff, Drop Zone, Social Frame. We got Align, our renamer. This is one of my favorites, honestly. Lightkit Pro Pop Studios. These are just presets. And then all of our scripts, which you may not even know exists. But we have amazing utility scripts, Signal scripts, which are really great for speeding up everything in Signal. Lens tools, rotation tools, camera scripts. These are some of my favorites. Layers, light scripts. This one can solo on a redshift light. You can look through your light. All of our utility scripts. So we've got tons of utility script stuff. And by the way, if you see a little link next to any of these to learn more, you can learn about what all these tools do so you can get a deeper dive. All right, so those are all installed and Cinema 4D is connected. We did all of that. So let's go ahead and start Cinema and check out our plugins. All right, this time it did not yell at me, and I see all of our stuff installed right here. We've got Align, Drop Zone, all of these things. And if some of these are new to you, I really highly recommend checking them out. There's a lot of useful stuff in there. All right, so let's open up a scene that I know has some Signal stuff going on. And let's go ahead and do that. And let's go ahead and hit play. Look at that. Everything is working as expected. Awesome. We've got all of our plugins loaded all through Cargo. And that's kind of the plan. We want to try to bring more of the stuff through Cargo so you have one place to worry about, one place to download everything, and it's going to make your life easier. And as we deliver more tools and more plugins, it's going to get even more valuable over time. So yeah, go check it out. And again, if you're coming from the hub and you want a clean slate with Cargo, we'll have a link below to show you how to do that. But yeah, jump in there, have fun, check out all the new stuff maybe you haven't seen before, maybe some of your old favorites. All right, I'll see you next time.